Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage rear tray paper settings on your Canon TS8351a. So first, let's head over to settings. Now here we need to go over to the feed settings, and here we will have the rear tray paper settings, as you guys can see. Now we need to load the paper in the paper tray. So let me quickly do that, so I'll see you guys in a second. And now here we have to confirm the current rear tray setting. So if it's A4 and plain paper, then click yes. If not, then you need to change it. As you guys can see, now we've managed those settings, so that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.